Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something that's perfect for anyone diving into guitar building or looking to replace a worn-out neck. An electric guitar neck blank. This particular one is a 22-fret, 24.75-inch scale length neck designed specifically for set-in style electric guitars. Right off the bat, the materials stand out. The neck itself is crafted from mahogany, a classic tone wood known for its warm, resonant properties. Paired with that is a rosewood fretboard. The combination of mahogany and rosewood is often sought after for its tonal characteristics, and the description claims these premium woods contribute to a brighter, louder sound with outstanding sustain. That's a big plus if you're aiming for a lively instrument. Looking at the specs, it's a standard 22-fret layout with a 24.75-inch scale, which is typical for many popular electric guitars. It features a paddle headstock, giving you the freedom to shape it to match your desired headstock design, whether you're replicating a classic shape or creating something entirely unique. The nut width is 42 millimeters, a common size that should feel familiar to most players. One key aspect is that this neck comes unfinished. This is ideal for DIY projects because it allows you to apply your own stain, paint, or clear coat to perfectly match or contrast with your guitar body. There are no inlays on the fretboard, which again provides a blank canvas. You can leave it plain for a minimalist look or add your own dot, block, or custom inlays. The truss rod is adjustable, and the description mentions it can be accessed at either the headstock or the bottom, offering flexibility depending on your build process and design. What's really interesting are the details mentioned about the fretboard and frets. The description highlights beveled fret ends and rolled edges. These are features usually found on higher-end necks, designed to provide a smooth, comfortable feel as your hand moves up and down the neck. A comfortable neck is crucial for playability, so having these details already addressed is a significant advantage for a blank. This neck is clearly intended as a replacement or the foundation for a completely custom build. It's presented as an ideal gift for anyone who enjoys the process of making their own guitars. If you're planning a set-in build and want a solid starting point with quality tone woods and player-friendly features like rolled edges and beveled frets, this mahogany and rosewood blank looks like a very promising option. It provides the essential structure while leaving all the aesthetic and final setup choices in your hands.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.